Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a clean with me. This is going to be a voiceover. I did have James and Levi here with me. This is nighttime currently here right now. So I thought a voiceover would be best because Levi was in the living room watching TV and was kind of fussy tonight. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a voiceover. But I also wanted to mention that this is a collab that I am hosting with a couple other YouTubers. Most of us are moms, some of us are not. But I did want to go ahead and just mention this is a collab. There will be a playlist link in the description box, so please go ahead, check that out. Make sure you check everyone's videos out. This was kind of a group collab. And I also wanted to mention, if you're new to my channel, hello, my name's Shyla. I do mostly mom and lifestyle videos. Like this one and many more. I'd love to have you join my YouTube family, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you are aware when I post a new video. I do try and upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday along with mini bonus videos, so I would love to have you join my family. But I'm going to go ahead and just start cleaning the house. I do just want to mention that this last week I wasn't able to clean much because I hurt my knee, so the house was a little crazy wise for the floors. Usually I sweep my floors every single night or twice a day, so the floors were really dirty. I promise they're not always that dirty, but they were this time. So just wanted to throw that out there. When you see that, you're not like, wow, she never cleans her floors. I promise I usually clean them twice a day. So, but without further ado, let's just jump right into the cleaning video, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
We